This tutorial covers how to use the Task Manager app to completely close down apps or clear background apps in system memory. This tutorial is recorded on the Samsung Galaxy S3, but it should be similar on the S4 and other Samsung Android devices. To open the Task Manager, we need to open the Recent Apps screen. Hold down the Home button for a couple of seconds. The Recent Apps screen opens. At the top of the screen we have tiles showing any running apps. If there are too many to fit them all on the screen, we can scroll through them by swiping up or down on the screen. We can open any of the running apps by touching the tile. We can close out of any running app by swiping the tile to the right or left. We can close all the apps on the phone at the same time by touching the Close All button. Closing apps from this screen closes them from this screen, but keeps some of the app in memory for quicker launching next time. If you need the app completely closed, you will need to use Task Manager. Click the Task Manager button at the bottom left of the screen. Active Applications is selected by default. It lists the number of open apps, with each app listed individually below. Each app shows the RAM and CPU usage. We can close out of each app by touching the End button. If we want to close out of all the apps at the same time, we can press the End All button. Touch to select RAM. This screen is used to close out of any open or background apps and to clear the system memory. This will close down more than just the apps listed in the Active App screen we reviewed earlier. In the middle of the screen under RAM status, it shows the available memory and the amount used. Select the Clear Memory button. At the bottom of the screen, it will show how many apps and processes were closed down. The Active Apps screen we saw before only showed a couple of apps, but more apps than that show as being closed out. These are the background processes that were running on the phone. Closing these background apps will free up system resources and help your phone run faster. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial. If you like the content, please subscribe to my channel or check back often for new videos.